Hello guys, welcome to Praj's Tech Lab. Today I am going to show you how to scan viruses without spending money on fancy softwares like Intego, Norton, McAfee and Bitdefender. Let's start. Before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Open your PC, press Windows plus R. A small tab will appear on your screen. Now type MRT and press OK. Now press Next. You have three options here. Quick Scan only takes a few minutes and scans a few files. The Full Scan option takes a few hours and scans the whole system. If you want to scan a particular folder, go for the third option. Let me choose the Quick Scan option to show you a demo. Press the Finish button and the virus scan is completed. If you want to know how to fix your lagging PC, go to this video.